Hi, this is Carla from Carla's glutenfreerecipebox.com. Today I have for you a recipe for gluten-free artichoke melts. They're made of artichoke hearts and have wonderful little goodies inside like walnuts and wine-soaked raisins, but you can use water if you want. What else is in here? Walnuts, raisins, artichoke hearts, and all sorts of kinds of cheeses. This is the first time I'm tasting it. It's wonderful. You can even add garlic if you wanted to. I think you'll enjoy this. This recipe is available to everyone. Check it out at glutenfreerecipebox.com.